Yeah! Surprise! The package came. Hi guys, Happy New Year. So today I'm doing a little unboxing of a gift that I've been waiting for since last year December, but finally it has arrived. I'm so happy. I just want to see what is in that package. What a way to start the year. It's the first week of 2022 and I'm already receiving gifts. So I know more are coming this year. More surprises are coming this year, guys. So how are you doing? How has your new year started? Hope you're all fine. So today I'm just chilling at home with my children. And what are you up to, you guys? Talk to me. So I'll go and check what is in the package. I'll unbox with you guys and let's see this surprise that has come all the way from Macau to South Korea. I'm excited, so excited, guys. You know I refuse to have a gift, and of course you don't know what it is. I know it's a great gift, and my friend, I really appreciate. Let's keep it real. So one of my fans sent them to gift me, so I'm so happy and excited at the same time. So you can meet friends and become family online. Sure, there are good people out there, so there are few elements that spoil the rest of the kindness, of the beauty of the people that they carry around. But there are few people, they are good people in the world. So thank you so much, my friend. I'll show you how happy we will be, how excited we are to receive this gift. I just heard the bell and I saw this face. This must be the postman and this must be the gift I've been waiting for. So I'm excited. Guys, and if you're new, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for my existing subscribers. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. It is because of you that I am where I am today. So feel the love, feel appreciated. And if you're new, please watch, like, subscribe, put on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything that comes up. Any video that comes up, you'll be the first one to be notified. So let's go and do the unboxing, guys. Come with me. Yeah! Surprise! The package came. Finally. Yay! Here we go, guys. Let's see what is here. Let's see.
You've got a pretty girl on your mind. We're looking at you, Vicky.
That's right. Wow, he's sealed so.
It's high. Maybe it's gonna.
Let's see what we have here, guys.
Blue.
It's blue.
Yeah.
Already seen blue.
Yeah.
Wow, wow, wow. Not one, not two, 3 t-shirts, guys. What a surprise. Wow, wow. Wow.
Mommy, I want you to wear them right now.
I love them. This one will fit Princess very well.
I want to see if
Oh.
it's big or small.
Look,
It looks like my t-shirt.
look. Princess, put on this. Let's see. Wow, blue t-shirt. What are these?
Panda.
Panda, beautiful. Okay, let me also wear mine, guys. This all the way from Las Vegas, Macau,
It's spontaneous.
from my friend, a loyal fan who has sent a gift to me. Macau. Wow, wow, wow. This is lovely. So nice, guys.
I think
These are great gift for the new year.
I like it.
Let's wear our t-shirt.
How about this?
Wow, 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 wow. Let's see this one. Look at me. Focus here. Look, 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 look. Let's see.
This? What does it say?
This is so beautiful, guys.
Mommy, what is
It
it?
says Macau. Panda.
What color?
This is so nice. Let's see the other one.
Can I from China?
Mayen, I'm so grateful. So grateful all the way from Las Vegas.
I will.
Las Vegas in Macau.
This
All the way to South Korea.
this one.
Oh, let me try this other.
Maybe this one can be jewels.
We'll see who fits there. But let me try this one. This one is so nice. Look.
I want one of that.
Look at that. Wow, wow. Oh, so lovely. This one is my favorite. This one, the black one.
Let me wear this.
That one can fit you. Ah, wow. Is it not so beautiful? Look. I love Macau. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. Oh, what a surprise for the new year. I'm so grateful. Ah, this one, no. So guys, these are a big world, but you can get friends from all over the world. These are true proof that you can get a friend who is a loyal friend and a good fan. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. All the way from Macau to South Korea. So grateful, so grateful. Have a blessed new year, my friend. Mayen, you rock. Mayen, you rock. See, my baby is so happy also. She got a t-shirt. No, don't. Remove this one. This one is too big for you. Let's see this one. So it fits us so well. Have a blessed year. You're a true friend, a true fan. I really appreciate. 100% cotton. This lunch. Which size is this? Number 4. 100% cotton. Very nice. They feel so soft. I can't believe this. Oh, thank you so much. Ooh. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. 3 t-shirts. Guys.
Why I get one?
These are a good gift for the new year, 2022. How do you feel about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so lovely, right? Oh.
I like your sister.
Yeah, my friend, you like my friend? Ah, look.
Hem gives us the t-shirt.
She gave us the t-shirt. She gifted us the t-shirt. So what you say to her?
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Mwah.
I love you too.
Yeah, done. Okay.
Turn it off?
Yes.